Yes, yes.
So your name is Jadu.
Yes, 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 yes. You are saying right. My name is Jadu. It means magic. Magic, you can say magic.
Very good, very good. So will you upload this video on your YouTube channel, bro?
Yes, I think I will upload. Yes.
So let me introduce myself first, okay? So
Yes.
my name is Subhan. I'm from Bihar, Kishanganj, but I currently live in Amroha, UP. Apart from that, I'm a teacher of English language, and I'm from madrasa background. If I talk about my qualification, so I have never gone to school since childhood. I spent a lot of time in madrasa, and I after completing my education from madrasa background, I took admission in the Department of English Language in madrasa. This department was included 2 years, but unfortunately, this department will be closed after 1 year. So in this department, I spent 6 7 7 month only. In this 7 or 6 months, I tried to learn English language, grammar, and the sentences formation. So that's why I'm learning.
Yes, 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 yes. You have given your good introduction. I think you will be waiting for me also there. When will Jadu introduce himself? So
Thank
now
you.
I will. Yes.
This is my first video conversation in my life.
Oh, that's why. That's why. So really,
Yeah.
for introduce myself. Yes. So my name is Jadu Kishore. I'm from Sahibganj district of Jharkhand state. If I talk about my education, I study 9th class. There are 5 members in my family. If I talk about my hobbies, as you know that I like to play football, cricket, explore the place, singing, speaking, studying, explore the place, looking new place. That all I like the most. I think you have known about my hobbies. What all my hobbies are. I think you knew, right?
Okay, right, right. So Jadu, tell me about your experience. Why
Yes.
are you talking with people outside? Right now, you are standing in field.
It is my style of making video. So that's why it is said that if you will make different types of videos, so I think people will like your video. So I decided why not if people are making video inside the home, so why not my way of making videos should be different. So that's why I'm making video in outside of home, so that people can find me different way. Like they can see trees, everything in Jharkhand, like and our country like trees, forest, because our country like Jharkhand is surrounded with trees, forest. You can consider. That's why. That's why they wanna
Okay.
see. A lot of people from out of India also are watching my video, so they will be thinking that when will Jadu show trees, everything, what all can be in outside. Jadu should show that all. That's why I keep on showing that. A lot of people commented.
Very good, very good. So, after taking video conversation, you have famous in the world in a short time.
Yes, 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 yes. You are saying right. I got famous in short time. That too. Because nowadays, I think I'm making video outside home, so I think people are finding me different way, and I'm making my name different. You can consider. Yes, sir, different. Recognition I got right.
Okay, okay. So, Jadu,
Yes.
how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother, a small brother, and one small sister.
Okay, you are a younger brother or elder brother?
I had elder brother also, but he had dead. He had dead.
Oh, oh,
I'm
may God
second.
bless him.
I
May
got
God
elder
bless him.
after him. Yes.
So, do you talk English with your family? Does anyone know about English language in your family?
Oh no, no, no one knows English. But my sisters and brothers knows little bit. They keep on speaking something or the other day, so they know. Yes, but so my parents don't know English how to speak English, but they know Hindi language, Santali language, which is my mother tongue. They know, and they know how to read English, but they can't speak English.
Okay, okay, okay. So, how many time do you spend to improve your communication skills?
For improving communication skills, I am giving around 3 hour, 2 hour time to improve my communication skills. And for practice English speaking, I'm giving around 30 minutes in particular time you can consider. Suppose if I practice at this time, up to 30 minutes I will practice. Like on any topic, I will speak in front of the mirror and other by talking with people. Like as I'm talking with you, like this, it is also called communication skills. I'm communicating.
How many people do talk English with you in a day?
In a day, a lot of people can talk. Around you can consider 20 people can also talk with me, but I'm having problem in MB data MB. That's why I'm talking
Oh,
for 5 people in a day because otherwise my mobile will get over quickly. That's why I
okay,
don't want to talk to a lot of people because if I'll talk with a lot of people in one day, so I think mobile MB will get over. Yes,
okay, okay. So, are you using 5G on 4G?
I'm using 4G currently.
Okay, okay. Definitely, you will get 5G in a short time when you got your YouTube channel monetized. So that
Yes, 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 yes.
people
I will.
people will
I,
see you after growing you.
yes, yes, yes. I bought a mobile, but that is 5G. But I'm using only 4G SIM.
No problem, no problem. 4G is a very great mobile. But you talk English language with many people, and many people want to talk with you. So you must to use 5G. if you have a lot of net, so many people will contact with you and they will talk to English language.
Yes, 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 yes. You are saying right. That's good. That's why, after some time I will buy a 5G SIM card.
Yeah,
Then
yeah,
I
yeah.
will definitely I can talk to a lot of
Okay.
people. So tell me, how many people can talk with you in a day? Like you are taking session. With how many people are you taking session in one day?
This is my first video conversation with you in my life. I have,
Oh, forgot you.
yeah.
Yes, yes,
Actually,
yes,
I
yes.
had no idea to make video conversation with anyone. I had no idea. So I watched many video in YouTube channel. How do I connect with those people? They know English language. I want to improve my communication skills. I want to break my hesitation. I want to build my confidence in myself. So what is possible? How is possible to me? So I watched many video in YouTube channel how to use Skype, how to use video make conversation with anyone. So I tried to connect with Arif Auto. You know Arif Auto?
Yes, yes, yes. I know very well. He's very funny speaker.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
He is also
Ah,
famous also. So firstly, I tried to connect with him, but it is hardly to contact with him because he was, I think, it may be busy. After that, I tried to contact with you. So it is my pleasure to contact with you because this is my first video conversation with you. Thank you so much for having me this opportunity.
yes, yes. It is very easy to connect with me, but I think some YouTuber like that, like you can consider Santa Mem, Aripoto. It is very hard to connect with them. But if you want to connect with me, easily you can connect because I'm very kind person. Also, when I will see any message or people, so quickly I'm reply. Then they can talk with me easily. Yes.
So, brother, tell me, uh, what is the easy way to contact with anyone video as a video conversation? I had no idea.
Yes, yes. Like
What
if you
I what I
consider,
did, what
yes,
I did to contact with you. Firstly, I opened your channel, and I opened your channel, and I saw here your name, and you mentioned there if you contact with me on Skype, so you can type like this ID English with Jadu. So I wrote my on my notebook, and I made a ID on Skype, and I right now I'm talking with you.
oh, like this. And you are doing great. And like this, if any people want to connect with me, if any person wants to connect with me, so first he should see my YouTube channel. He should open my YouTube channel, YouTube, and he should go on, in about section of my YouTube channel. There I mentioned time. First he should say, that he should say to himself that now according to time, you can consider. Like I mentioned time also.
Yes,
So that's something that, like ask Jadu mentioned time. So in that time I have to call. You can consider. And besides that, already I mentioned also Skype ID name. So they
yes,
should
yes.
keep on Skype. They can search English with Jadu. They can send me message like this. I can talk with them. And if they can't create account on Skype, so there is one way also for connecting with me. That is WhatsApp. I gave WhatsApp number also. They can talk with me on
Okay,
WhatsApp.
okay.
Yes, I am also giving offer them to talk with me also on
Oh,
WhatsApp.
very good, very good, very good. So tell me, mostly platform, many people talk with you. Uh,
Mostly people are talking with me on Skype application. Because all
Skype,
people all this application is known as a free application. You can consider.
yeah,
That's why a lot
very.
of people with more Skype application. So I think you also connect with me. So you knew that now because this application has become very free application. That where you can connect with different kind of people that doing free easily. You can talk with them. But like other application, if I'll talk about other application, can be like Cambly, Hypro, English theory. That all application are also being used by other person. But some people like rich people are using that because have money. They have money. They can pay money for that. But I can't pay money. I don't want to pay money also. That's why. That's
Very
why.
great, very.
Yes.
So, so tell me, how many time did you spend to contact with with people?
Yes, yes, yes. You can consider, to contact with people. I think within a while I can contact with people if they will send me message. So you can consider. But after 30 minutes, I will talk with them. Yes. When any person will contact with me, so after 30 minutes, 40 minutes around, you can consider. So it is enough. Like we can improve our English language if we will talk with one person, right?
Yes, yes. Very great, very great. So, do you talk English language outside with your friend?
Yes, 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 yes. I'm talking in English language with such friends who knows English. But I have also some friends you can consider. But ask many friends I got from YouTube. Ask many friends subscribe my YouTube channel. I think most of my friends are knowing English. they can speak with me, so I'm speaking English with them. But I have also such friend you can consider. Some friend don't know English language, they can't speak, so I'm talking with them only in my mother tongue because they can't speak English. But I taught some my friend English. You know, Ajay is my friend, so I taught him English. He learns English. He even speak English language like me. And some my friend
Very
I
good.
taught English, and they can speak English language well. Yes.
Okay, okay, very good. Very. You know, many students they are studying in madrasa. Madrasa don't know how to speak English language. So I spent 15 years, almost 15 years in madrasa, but I never spoke English language. But after 6 months only, I am able to speak English with anyone. I'm able to speak English language with those people. They have a lot of knowledge about English language. So according to me, English is not a subject. Many people are considering it as a subject. When we think English as a subject, so it will be difficult for us. So
Yes.
according to me, English is a language, is a not subject. We should consider English as a language, not as a subject.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So
Right, you are
uh,
right. Like
yeah,
that's why.
in childhood we don't learn Hindi language with grammar, with sentences formation. But when we speak Hindi language, automatically our Hindi will be increased. So if we speak English language, definitely our English will be increased, will be improved.
Yes, 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 yes. You are saying right. That's why nowadays I think my English has improved. You can consider. And for checking that, I had gone to one city in a Jharkhand, Dumka district. I think you know very well about Dumka, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
So,
That's
Mr.
why.
Jadu, I'm very happy to talk to you. This is my first video conversation. I was trying to be connecting with you for 2 days, so I was unable to contact with anyone. So, this is my first video conversation. When you will upload this video on your YouTube channel, I will see you and I will share your YouTube.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely.
Okay.
Like you
So, tell me
think that.
when will you upload this video?
I think after one day tomorrow, I think I will not upload, but after tomorrow I will upload. Yes.
Okay, okay. When you will upload this video, I will see and I will watch. I will share you. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day.